Did we get some sun yet? Oh my God. I see blue sky. Photons. Oh my God. Oh, I did so much sanding in here. It's just been a dust storm. I'm trying to sleep in crusty dust. Not fun. Pretty much done all the sanding, and I cleaned my bed sheets. I even took a shower tonight, so it's gonna feel really nice. For the last little snack I'm gonna have, Greek yogurt, like a chocolatey pudding. It's gonna be really rainy the next few days, so might just have to do a killer workout inside here, not outside. Maybe I could go for a run in the rain. I think I'll just be learning some stuff on YouTube. Cool. Chocolate mousse. Oh my gosh, that's good. It tastes like hot cocoa. Yum! I'm so grateful. All right, let's watch some YouTubes.
I haven't really been sleeping tonight. It's like 4 or something in the morning now. You ever just go to bed and you're like, I can't wait to drink coffee tomorrow? Maybe I should just get up and start drinking coffee.
I tried to take advantage of the dry weather and did these deep squats. It turned my back into a question mark. I was walking like Quasimodo for about a week. Since my dad was already motivated to help me repair the ceiling, I asked if he would assist me put up a proper squat rack. Almost proper. This is actually pretty hillbilly-like. But I don't think I'll be having the same problems with my back. You gotta love that healing comes again. And so does the sun.